Hey guys, I'm Deanna from PTN, and I'm here at Pocono Organics, one of the largest regenerative organic certified farms in North America. I'm here to learn how to cook with some of the products they grow. Let's go check it out. I've always wanted to take a cooking class, and who better to learn from than Food Network's Chop Champion and now Executive Chef, Lindsay McLean. Hey Lindsay, how are you today?
Hi, welcome to Pocono Organics.
So I've never taken a cooking class before and I'm super excited. What are you gonna teach me today?
We're gonna be making a lion's mane barbecue burger.
Ooh, a classic with a little organic twist. I like it. Okay, should we go pick what we're gonna use?
Yeah, let's head back.
All right.
So these here are sunflower microgreens. So microgreens are 3 times as nutrient dense as regular vegetables or their vegetable counterpart. These are sunflower microgreens, and we're gonna use them for the garnish of our burger today.
Okay.
So you're just gonna hold the top like this.
Okay.
And then cut some of the stem off.
Just right at the stem?
Right at the stem.
Okay.
And then we can put them here into our bowl. They really add a nice crunch to your
they smell amazing.
Sandwich. And they're really great for smoothies too. It's a really nice way to sneak some nutrition into your diet.
I love nutrition any way I can get it.
Yeah.
So since you mentioned we're gonna do a lion's mane burger, I'm interested to see the mushroom room.
Yeah, so this is where our mushrooms begin. This is actually a substrate. It's just wood pellets, the same that you would use in a wood stove. So we start our mycelium in the substrate. Once they're fully white and have gone through their inoculation, then they'll go to our fruiting chamber. And that's where they'll start to grow out of the bag. We just slit a hole in the side of the bag and then the mushrooms just start to grow out. Maitake, oyster, lion's mane, which we'll be making our burgers out of today.
So this is kind of what it comes to look like after?
Once they're large enough, they'll harvest and they look like these big pom-poms. Which I had never even seen these mushrooms before I came here. And they're really, really great for any kind of, vegetable forward substitute.
And this is the lion's mane.
A lot of people use them for crab cakes, and today we're gonna use them for a barbecue burger.
Well, this is making me very excited. Let's get cooking.
All right. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna get started on is tearing the lion's mane mushrooms.
Okay.
So we'll take these mushrooms here, and you'll see they're really soft. You can kind of just break them apart into 1 to 2 inch pieces. So the seasoning that we'll add today is a barbecue seasoning that I've made. It's got onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, a little bit of chili flake, all the things that you would normally find in a barbecue sauce. And we're gonna drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil.
Okay.
Normally I'm really big on seasoning every step of the way. But we don't need to season these because we're gonna put all the seasoning into our mix. So we're gonna put these in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. So now we've got our mushrooms, they're roasted off. You can see they just took on a little bit of color, they're nice and soft. Now we're gonna start pulsing them in a food processor.
Really
First we're gonna start with black beans, and we're just gonna make them into a paste right here in a food processor. And then we're just gonna put this in real quick, just to break those mushrooms up. So you can go ahead and add, this is our salt and our barbecue seasoning.
Just all of it?
Yep, go ahead and add it in. Also gonna add some quinoa.
Okay.
And then you can mix that all. This is a little trick that I like to use to make things into patties, is to use 2 soup lids. Scoop this in, like that. And then I use the other lid and I just kind of press down.
Look at that.
And then that makes a really nice, neat patty. Just like that. So we're just gonna let those get a nice crispy sear on them. So you can see we're starting to get like a nice crust on the edge, so we're gonna come in and flip them.
Ooh, that looks delicious.
So we're gonna use some smoked Gouda, and I think that really helps bring in that barbecue flavor as well. So we can start plating these. So I'm just gonna put them right on our buns. I like pickles and a mustard on my burgers, so that's what I have here. And then we have our microgreens. So this is a mustard aioli. It's the best of both worlds with mustard and mayonnaise. And then these are our house-made pickles. And then we can top this, like use this as a lettuce. This will be our crunch.
So I love that we went from that to this.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it's a very interesting final product.
I never expected it was gonna look like this, but I'm excited to try it.
Yeah.
So
let's cut these in half.
Shall we try it, guys? It looks amazing.
All right, cheers.
Oh, wow. That was really good. So if people want to come buy the vegetables to then make this at home or any other recipe, how do they go about that?
So we actually have our CSA on promo right now. It's $350. It's kind of like a buying club. So people can come in and shop and buy the vegetables that they want. Our CSA program is not a traditional program where you get a box and you take it home each week. You can come in each week and shop for the vegetables that you like. You can buy the microgreens, you can buy the lion's mane, and you can recreate this.
And on what website or how can they check you out?
Poconoorganics.com.
Okay, so you heard it. Check the website out. We're gonna finish these burgers. Thanks for watching. Deanna Fontanez from Poconos Television Network.